Hello, everybody. Today we're doing another audit on Mr. AC Hampton. And his today is I just turned $50 into $50,709.45 days drop shipping. Okay, he gets a grade D. Here's the kill. $50,709 is revenue, not profit. He never says a word, not once in the 12 minutes. Okay. So, he can actually do this. That's not the question. The question is whether you can do it with $50 in 45 days. That's what he sold you in the title. I don't believe you can. Okay. So let's do a little bit here, a little bit on it. The headline numbers is gross. Product cost him $7.25 a unit with shipping, sells for around $30. Okay. Off that $50,709 comes every unit cost. Every dollar of ad spend, Shopify fees, payments, fees, refunds, and the tool stack. He never totals the ad spend. He shows you one ad of $49.79 or $70, $49.70 spent. Then he says his words, there's other ways for bigger ad spends. Okay. Then the quote that ends it, his words. Obviously, the $50 isn't what brought all of the 50,000 worth of sales. Hello, come on. You know, Another BS story by AC trying to get you to just basically jump in and funnel into his stuff to buy his stuff. It's just crap. The title says $50 did it. The guy in the video says it didn't. When the seller refuses his own pitch, my job basically done. Yeah. We'll go ahead and play a little bit, but this one he pretty much killed it himself.
Started this dropshipping store with just $50, and over the last 45 days, that turned into over $50,000. Literally, 45 days, $50, that's all this took. Now, here's what I'm doing in this video. First, I'm gonna show you the store so you can see it's real. Then we're gonna rewind all the way back to day one. When the store didn't exist, the product wasn't picked, and $50 was all I had for the budget. And I'll be walking.
Yeah. Hey, Crack, this guy drags me up. This is a good one. His own 2-day rule. He says it's hard product. We'll eat the $50 budget in 2 days. Then tells you to split the $50 across multiple ad angles. Do the math. 3 angles at low daily spend is dead in a day and a half. So basically, everything AC is telling you is just once again blowing smoke up your butt. It's basically just a sales funnel for you to go and try and sign up and get his shit. Do not waste your money on this guy. Do not waste it. The idea is legit, but his concept is flawed in so many ways. And he even killed it on his own video. Okay, here's where the data barely whispers. Okay, his own words. He admit a winning angle can show 0 sales in the first few days. Your $50 is gone before the data says anything. Yep. So you're done right out of the gate. 6 affiliate pitches in 12 minutes. There's the one you need to think about. This is where he gets his money. This is where you 668,000 people who follow this salesman who's basically just a con artist and a scam artist. AutoDS, Team Drop, the domain, the AI add-on tools with his discount code, Shopify, and 2 credit card offers. Every tool I use comes with a link. That's how he makes his money. He doesn't make his money very much off these videos. He makes it off you suckers buying his crap and believing he's the one to teach you how to make things and make money. He almost lost it with a team. His words. He almost blew this. The package was wrong, ad angle. Years of experience and staff nearly missed it. You get $150 and no team. So get it, people. Come on. Wake up and realize this is just a scam artist trying to get you to buy snake oil. It's unreal, unbelievable. The description in the store, yeah, one-on-one coaching application, the Blueprint 6.0 course, and prompt back in Discord. Yeah, there's another one. On the camera, it only pitches the tools. Coaching funnel rides underneath the whole video. Yeah, that's where he makes his money when you guys sucker up and pay him money for wasted time, when you can do it yourself with a little hard work, and you don't need people like AC Hampton to take your money. You know, I don't, I don't get it why you people are so, why people follow this. If any of you out there that actually follow him and actually have made money in a realistic time frame, tell me, I'd be happy. Don't think any of you are going to own up to it, but I don't think anybody did. So, you know, you're not the customer of the dropshipping store. You're the customer in the video. Yeah, he's trying to get you to buy his shit. Okay. Don't get me wrong. The method exists. The math he handed doesn't survive his own quotes. So he gets a grade D. The only reason he gets a D is because it is a viable idea. Question for you. Okay. If a guru showed you 50,000 in revenue, what's the first cost you'd ask him to subtract? Tell me in the comments. I'd like to hear it. All right. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to making your next video. And please, people, do your due diligence before you sign up for guys like this. It's just basically you're the sale. The whole video draws you in to buy his shit. You're the product, not his idea. You are. And when you sign up, you fuel this kind of stuff to keep other people who are misled like you wouldn't believe, like, a deer in the headlight. You're just dazed with like, oh my God, $50 in 45, I can make 50,000 in 45 days. You're gonna lose your ass. You're gonna lose your money. Do not follow this guy. His ideas are scam artist. He's a scam artist and basically just wants to give you money to help support his crap. The more you do it, the more you support him. Like and subscribe. Looking forward to the next video.